In today's video, I will be using my quad split cup that I've designed, so if you're interested, stick around and check it out. Hey everybody, I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to be using an 11 by 14 canvas, and I've got my quad split cup. You can see that nice spout design that I've got so the paint doesn't drip down the front there. And I've got all my pretty colors, blues and silvers. The first one is Phthalo Turquoise from the Fine Touch. I've got from Blick Payne's Gray, Deco Art Americana Decor Metallics Silver, and then I've also got Phthalo Blue from the Fine Touch as well. And all of my paints are mixed with my regular pouring medium today. My regular pouring medium is Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol and water, and it is 60% Liquitex, 30% Floetrol, and about 10% water. And the way that I mix my paints, because I make a big jug of my pouring medium, so I usually just put a little bit of pouring medium in my cup, add a little paint, stir that, then add more pouring medium if you need it. I have found in my experience that if you put all of the paint and all of the pouring medium in, you can tend to get lumps, and it's just so much harder to stir. So that's my little tip for you guys when you're mixing your paints. Hopefully that will help you guys a little bit. Okay, so here I go. I'm gonna get this paint on the canvas, and you can see how nice that comes out of the spout there. It doesn't drip down the front, easy to control the paint better. So that is why I designed my cup the way I did with that super sweet spout. It is key in the split cup pour. Alright guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and let you sit back and enjoy this music, enjoy this video, watch how this develops, and I'll be back in a jiff. Okay guys, so here we go with the dried photos, and you can definitely tell that that silver is very, very dominant in this painting. The other colors are very subtle, except for that middle part of the teal and the Payne's gray. It's almost 3D like, so it's kind of cool. I'm actually on the fence about it. But I do like the design in the middle, I guess. So I did get a few cells that kind of developed there a little bit. So I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts. Leave me a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with someone you think may enjoy it. It is very helpful to me and I do appreciate it. Also, for those of you that are interested in my split cup, it is available in my Etsy store. The link is in my description, so go check that out. And for those of you that don't know, I do have a Facebook group called Acrylic Pouring with Friends. I highly encourage you to go join. It's a pretty super cool group. And I have a bunch more videos that I know you will enjoy as well, and I'll catch you in the next one.